Hi guys, in front of me is DOOGEE T10 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. First of all, open your phone dialer, then choose the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to, select Edit and click on Add Photo. Now you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery if you wish. I would like to pick something from my gallery, then select the picture that you want to apply. Here you can smoothly customize it, so you can crop it. You can also rotate it over here and then tap on Save Copy. Click on Save to apply the change, and that's it. From now on, this picture is assigned to your contact and you will be able to see it once your friend is calling. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.